students, welcome on to our channel. Now up to here you have studied in the lesson number 10, measuring time. Some parts of this lesson you have studied in previous video. There is the learning about second. You know that what is meant by seconds. There is the clock divided into 60 equal parts. In the clock, there is the clock has three hands. One is the hour hands, minute hands and second hands. Second hands are always rotate clockwise. 60 parts complete. When the 60 parts complete, second hands, then minute hands goes or forward one place. Means 60 seconds. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And when the 1 minute rotate, when minute hands complete one round or cover the 60 parts of the clock, then 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 seconds means 1 minute and 60 minutes means 1 hour. So now today we are going to learn the next part of this lesson, measuring time. Name of the part is the examples of measuring time. Examples of measuring time. When measure the time, then do the operation addition or doing the operation subtraction. So now let us see the first example here. Add 3 hours 26 minutes plus 2 hours 48 minutes. Here is the two units, hours and minute. The smallest unit is second. Second is the less than minute unit. Here is the given example. Addition here. 3 hours 26 minutes plus 2 hours 48 minutes means how many time? Total time. Calculate. When calculate the time addition here, first arrange the hour and minutes that way. Draw the two tables. Draw the two columns. Make a table here written as hours and here is the written as minutes. 3 hours 26 minutes plus 2 hours 48 minutes. Addition there. 8 plus 6 14. Carried over 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. 2 plus 3 5. Here we get answer 5 hours 74 minutes. 74 minutes means how many minutes? How many? 74 minutes means how many hours? How many minutes? 74 मिनिटे म्हणजे किती तास किती मिनिटे? You know that 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 74 minutes minus 60 minutes. 4 minus 0 4. 7 minus 6 1. 14 means 1 hour 14 minutes. 1 तास 14 मिनिटे. So from the 74 minutes subtract the 60 minutes means 1 hour. 4 minus 0 4. 7 minus 6 1. That 60 minutes subtract means 1 hour. Return here 1. So finally we get the answer 14 minutes. 5 plus 1, 6 hours. 6 hours 14 minutes. See once again this example. 3 hours 26 minutes plus 2 hours 14 minutes. 3 hours 26 minutes, 2 hours 14 minutes. Addition the numbers. Which way we using the method for natural number? Already on the numbers where is addition the divided numbers. Like that method use and doing the operations here. Addition plus 6 14 carried over 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. 74 minutes 2 plus 3 5 hours. But you know that 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 74 minutes means how many hours and how many minutes. So 74 minus 60 minutes. 74 minus 60 is equal to 14 minutes remains. So 60 minutes. Remove from the minutes and add there in hours. So 5 plus 1, 6 hours, and remaining here the 14 minutes. See the next example. And 4 hours 38 minutes plus 3 hours 55 minutes. Arrange the draw the two columns, make a table, minute columns and hours columns here. Hours, minute, 3 hours 26 minutes plus 2 hours 4 hours 38 minutes plus 3 hours 55 minutes. Add here 5 plus 8 13 carried over 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9 3 plus 4 7. We get the answer 7 hours and 93 minutes. But 60 minutes means how many hours? So 93 minutes means how many hours? How many minutes? Then 93 minus 60 needs remove from the 93 minutes. 93 मिनिटांमधून 60 मिनिटे म्हणजे 1 तास सबट्रॅक्ट करा. हा 60 मिनिट्स आहे म्हणजे इकडे काय झाले ते hours. 3 minus 0 3 9 minus 6 3. We get the minutes 33 minutes 1 hours here. Add 7 plus 1 8 hours 33 minutes. We get the answer. See the next example. Five hours 58 minutes plus 2 hours 42 minutes. Solve these type of examples. First, make a table. One column is hours, another is minutes. plus 2 hours 42 minutes. Addition there, 8 plus 2, 10. 2 plus 8, 10 carry over 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 hours, 100 minutes. Remove the 60 minutes from 100 minutes. Then 100 minutes means how many hours, how many minutes. 100 minus 60, 0. 10 minus 6, 4, 0. So 60 minutes remove and that 60 minutes add in the hours. 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 hours 40 minutes. 100 minutes means 1 hour 40 minutes. So 7 plus 1, 8 hours and 40 minutes. 5 hours 58 minutes plus 2 hours 42 minutes means the addition of that time is 8 hours 40 minutes. Now here we see the examples of measuring time, related that examples to the addition. Now see the next examples measure of time, subtraction. Here is the some changes, addition and subtraction. See the changes of subtraction. Example first, subtract 4 hours 35 minutes minus 2 hours 52 minutes. Which way we add the time, that way subtract the measuring time, draw the columns 2, arrange it. One column shows the hours, and minute. 4 hours and 35 minutes minus 2 hours 52 minutes. You know that here, observe carefully. 52 is the largest number than 35. 35 is the smallest number and 52 is the biggest number. That is why 52 minutes not subtract from 35 minutes. Then take 1 hours. Take 60 minutes. When we remove the 1 hours, here remaining hours is 3, and that 1 hours when we return in the minutes, then 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. 35 minutes is equal to 5 plus 0, 5, 6 plus 3, 95. 95 minutes, 52 minutes. 95 now. 95 minutes is the greater than the 52 minutes. Here subtract the 52 from 95. So 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, and 3 minus 2, 1. We get the answer. 4 hours 35 minutes minus 2 hours 52 minutes means 1 hour 43 minutes. 1 hour 43 minutes. See the changes here. 60 minutes means 1 hours. So that's 1 hour plus that 35 minutes. 60 minutes plus 35 minutes is equal to 95 minutes, and 52 number subtract from 95. See the next example. Subtract 5 hours, 28 minutes minus 3 hours, 45 minutes. Draw the two tables. Hours and minutes. 5 hours, 28 minutes minus 3 hours, 45 minutes. See here, 45 is the largest number than 28. 45 minutes is more than 28 minutes. Hence, 45 minutes not subtract from 28 minutes. Then remove the 1 hour from 5 hours. Then how many hours here remains? 4 hours. And 4 hours here remains. That 1 hours add here. Addition done. So 1 hour means 60 minutes plus 28 minutes is equal to 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. That number is written here. Addition the 60. 60 minutes means 1 hour. We remove from 5 1 hours and put here 1 hour means 60 minutes. Then 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. We get the answer now. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 hours and 43 minutes. Such way subtract the numbers. And see the next and last examples. Subtract 6 hours, 32 minutes minus 3 hours, 56 minutes. Arrange the hours and minutes. One column shows the hours, another is shows minutes. 6 hours, 32 minutes minus 3 hours, 56 minutes. Now see here, 56 is the more number or largest number than 32. So 56 minutes not subtract from 32 minutes. That time remove from the 6 1 hours. How many hours remains here? 5 hours. Then 1 hour, when we put in minutes, then don't written as 1. So 1 hour means 60 minutes plus that 32 minutes is equal to 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 6, 9 minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes plus 32 minutes, we get the minutes 92 minutes. Then that 92 minutes subtract 56 minutes. Then 12 minus 6, 6, 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. We get the answer 2 hours and 36 minutes. 2, not 6 subtract from 2, then get 1 carried over from 10th place number. So here numbers make 12, remain numbers 8, 12 minus 6, 6 and 8 minus 5, 3. We get 2 hours and 36 minutes. So I hope all of you understand the today's examples of time measurement related addition and subtraction. So all of you students solve the practice set, solve the problem set 45, question number 1 and question number 2, and practice this type of the examples at home. Okay.